Om Shanti. Good morning. Essence of Avyakt Murli, 18th July 2021. Revised date 16th February 1988. Constantly maintain enthusiasm, utsah, and celebrate with festivity, utsav. Today, the Father, the Lord of the world, Vishveshwar, has come to celebrate a meeting with His elevated creation of the world and the elevated original jewels, the extremely loving and close children. All the souls of the world are the children of the Father, the Lord of the world. However, Brahmin souls are extremely loving and close souls because Brahmins are the original creation. Together with the Father, Brahmin souls incarnate into a Brahmin life and become cooperative souls in the Father's task. Therefore, Bap Dada has come today to celebrate the birthday of the children incarnating into Brahmin life. You children are dancing in happiness with zeal and enthusiasm, celebrating the Father's birthday. Bap Dada is pleased to see this Brahmin life of the children and how, with love and cooperation from the Father, they are moving forward with courage in every task. So, you are celebrating Bap Dada's birthday and the Father is celebrating the children's birthday. It is also the birthday of you Brahmins, is it not? Double congratulations from Bap Dada as well as from Jagadamba and all the special elevated souls, your companions of the advance party, as well as a shower of golden flowers of love for your Alaukik Brahmin life. These are congratulations from the heart, not just words. Therefore, congratulations from the heart of the Father, the comforter of the hearts, to all the elevated souls, whether they are seated personally in front of Bap Dada or whether they are in front of the Father in their minds. Congratulations, congratulations to all the children everywhere. On this day, devotee souls have special awareness of the point form of the Father. Shiv Jayanti or Shiv Ratri is not the memorial of a corporeal form, but it is of the importance of the incorporeal Father, the point of light, who is worshipped in the form of a Shiva Lingam. All of you also always have the awareness of the point form of the Father in your hearts. So, you are points and the Father is also a point. So, on this day, every devotee soul in Bharat is specially aware of the importance of the point form. A point is extremely subtle and is also extremely powerful. This is why the Father, the point, is said to be the ocean of powers, virtues, and knowledge. So, the waves of special enthusiasm for the birthday from the hearts of all of you children have been reaching Bap Dada from Amrit Vela. Just as you children, as embodiments of love for the Father, especially hoisted the Father's flag for service. What flag has the Father hoisted? All of you have hoisted Shiv Baba's flag. Will the Father hoist the same flag? This responsibility of service in the corporeal form has been given to you children. The father has also hoisted a flag, but which one and where? Bap Dada has hoisted the flag of love for all the children's specialities in his heart. How many flags would he have hoisted? No one in this world can hoist as many flags. It must be such a beautiful scene. Today's blessing is, may you be a master bestower and do not look at anyone's defects or weaknesses, but cooperate with your virtues and powers. Again, may you be a master bestower and do not look at anyone's defects or weaknesses, but cooperate with your virtues and powers. A master bestower means constantly to have the spiritual feeling that all spirits, souls, should claim a right to the inheritance just as you have. You do not look at anyone's defects or weaknesses, but give the cooperation of the virtues and powers that you have imbibed. Instead of having the feeling that one is always like this, let there be the pure feeling, let me make this one the same as the Father. Along with this, you should have the elevated hope that from being poverty-stricken, unhappy and peaceless, let all souls be constantly peaceful, happy and full of all treasures. You will then be called a master bestower. Slogan: those who serve with their thoughts, words and actions are constant servers. Service is merged in their every breath. Again, those who serve with their thoughts, words and actions are constant servers. Service is merged in their every breath. Note: today is the third Sunday of the month, the International Yoga Day. All Baba's children to sit for meditation from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m., become stable in their angelic form, and standing with Bap Dada on the peak of the mountain of light, give the whole world rays of purity. Do the service of purifying and making Sato Pradhan all souls and matter. Om Shanti.